Have you ever imagined turning simple images into a cinematic Hollywood-style video using AI? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Hey everyone, welcome back to InfoWorld. In today's video, we're testing an amazing AI tool called Vidu that can create stunning videos using just text, images, or references. Let's start by uploading our images. I'm going to use two pictures and turn them into a full cinematic animation. Simply upload your first image and then add the second one. Now comes the most important part, the prompt. Here's what I'll write. Camera zoom in. Figure slowly rises up from the water. A good prompt is what makes your video look truly cinematic. Next, we adjust the settings. You can change the duration, set the aspect ratio, and make sure the quality is set to 1080p. And now, it's time for the magic. Just click on Create and let the AI do its work. And here we go. Wow, this looks absolutely amazing. It feels like a real cinematic shot straight out of a Hollywood movie. And the best part? We created this using just two images. So, what do you think about this AI tool? Is it worth trying or not? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to for more amazing AI tools and tutorials. Also, press the bell icon so you never miss any new videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.